So finally, Deloitte official hiring is announced. 24-25 batch is eligible. Hyderabad location is there. So in this video, there is a 4 off-campus mass hiring going on. One is direct test opportunity. If you are from 26, 24, 25. If you are from 24, 25, 26 batch, then please watch video till end. In this video, I am gonna tell you each and every batch is hiring. So please watch video till end. First of all, this is official hiring announced by Deloitte, which is fresher opportunity, and 24-25 batches eligible, and for position in Hyderabad. Now the thing is, you have to click on this link and you will redirect to this page. Hyderabad location is there. First of all, I want to clear that this is a non-tech role, and B.Tech with minimum 1 to 2 year of experience is needed. Means if you are a fresher, you can apply, because this is absolutely for fresher. But if you having 1 year 2 year experience, you can easily apply. So these are the skill you have to put in resume, plus these preferred skill. So this is finance level of role. Hyderabad location model, hybrid model is there. 9 hours shift is there between 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. because this is USA shift. And one more thing want to tell you, these are your responsibilities. This is very basic low level of work you can easily do, but if you are comfortable with this hours or timing, then you can easily apply for this opportunity, because this is absolutely for 24-25 fresher hiring. Okay, so don't miss this if you are belong to non-tech opportunity, because no technical grads is eligible, only non-tech graduates is eligible 24-25. So this is big opportunity for you if you know MS Office, administrative work, and टाइमिंग मेन चीज़ है, क्योंकि एंड मस्ट बी ओपन टू वर्किंग इन शिफ्ट. तो टाइमिंग और डेट से, मतलब डेट तो नहीं है बट टाइमिंग से अगर तुम्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सो यू कैन इजीली अप्लाई फॉर दिस हायरिंग. बट प्लीज अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एंड हिट द अप्लाई बटन, अप्लाई मैनुअली. सेकंड बिगेस्ट हायरिंग आई एम गोना टेल यू, ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनी मार्केटिंग डेटा एनालिटिक्स. इफ यू स्क्रॉल डाउन, मार्केटिंग डेटा एनालिटिक्स रोल इज देयर. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक विच इज, यू कैन चेक. यहाँ पे एक लिंक थी, किधर गई? देखो तुम्हें ये स्कैन करना पड़ेगा, बट आई विल प्रोवाइड यू दिस लिंक ऑल्सो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो क्लिक ऑन MBA मार्केटिंग बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, जो भी है तुम्हारी क्वालिफिकेशन. स्क्रॉल डाउन, एनी लोकेशन. दो रोल है, मार्केटिंग डेटा एनालिस्ट. एंड इफ यू हैव इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस, यू कैन गिव एक्सपेक्टेड CTC तुम दे सकते हो 5 LP मिनिमम दे देना, बिकॉज फ्रेशर के लिए हायरिंग की जा रही है. 26 MBA बैचेस एलिजिबल. तो प्लीज हिट द अप्लाई बटन एंड 2 रोल इज देयर. चूज वाइजली एंड अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे एज पर योर रिलेटेड रोल जिसके लिए भी अप्लाई कर रहे हो, बिकॉज द ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम इज गोइंग ऑन. They will provide you training, but basic domain you have to put in resume. Now biggest opportunity, software engineer fresher hiring is out, and you can just check general location is there. 26-25 pure IT role is this. BE MTech CS IT 70% throughout academics. No active backlog is compulsory. The company name is a Newty Global Corp, and this is the criteria. Java, Spring Boot, full stack, Java, Python, full stack is compulsory. Means 2 role is there, Java full stack, Python full stack, and problem solving and SQL is common for all. Attractive salary package with a training period is also there. So don't worry, just put basic only domain and 2 project and update a resume. That's it. इतना ही करना है, and share your updated resume on this email ID. This is HR referral email ID. Hit the apply button as soon as possible. Now Electrifix just announced the multiple hiring, which is direct test opportunity. After applying, you will see the direct link on your email. This is Drive 2026. So fresher plus experienced both is eligible. So if you want to apply in software engineering, then Python is compulsory requirement. You have to read these. You have to put in resume. Application process is like fill this form. Approx 30 minute का quiz होगा, which is direct test in, or after that coding test will be there. Then 2 interview, then HR interview. Click here to check availability time slot. See, you have to book the slot. If there is slot, you can easily book the slot and complete your direct test online opportunity. And this is the date and timing. Date is different, but timing is same. ठीक है, click on apply now, and resources is also there. You can check the coding test. ठीक है, एम्बेड इसी तरीके से एम्बेडेड का भी होने वाला है. यू कैन रीड द डिस्क्रिप्शन फर्स्ट, देन रिक्वायरमेंट, देन एप्लीकेशन, then fill the form, book your slot and complete your direct test. Then HR intern is also there. Just as it is, you have to check the criteria, application process. Click here and book your slot, then complete your direct test. Now for experienced candidates, there is many role like senior software engineer, senior lead engineer, Python, React, Linux हो गया, Python हो गया, मल्टीपल है यहाँ पे. तो फ्रेशर प्लस experienced candidate both is eligible, but check once that there is the criteria and put all these domain in resume, because they are shortlisting in an interview. ठीक है, तो इंटरव्यू कहाँ पे होने वाला है, लोकेशन क्या होने वाली है, सब एक बार देख सकते हो. अटेंड द क्विज, डायरेक्ट टेस्ट होने वाला है. बाकी यहाँ पे देख लो कि किसका क्या क्राइटेरिया, सबका डिफरेंट है. किसी को लोकेशन पे जाके देना है, किसी को ऑनलाइन देना है, तो एक बार देख लो और अप्लाई करो इसके लिए। तो आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू बिगेस्ट मास हायरिंग Deloitte, DHL, graduate engineer trainee, and this hiring which is New Tech Global, Newty Global Corp and Electrifix. So please apply it as soon as possible. One more thing, go to the video section and check out this video. Genius just announced the biggest mass hiring ever, PwC urgent off campus superset hiring. Go and apply for this opportunity. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.